To build a successful LinkedIn connection strategy, you must first define who you are going to connect with. You can start with people you know, such as colleagues, customers, and suppliers, as well as LinkedIn suggestions, and work your way up to your ideal clients and people you really want to work with. Once you start posting, you can also then connect to those who engage with your content. You can also connect with people on your CRM and existing pipeline, and key industry experts. Is it better to have a larger or smaller network of connections? Smaller is more focused, and larger has a wider reach. The key is being consistent with sending connection requests. Visibility settings. It is important you check that your profile is visible in LinkedIn searches. Adjust your settings so prospective partners and clients can easily find you. Click Settings, Visibility, and choose which sections you want public or private. Join groups. LinkedIn groups provide the opportunity to engage with industry peers, position yourself as an expert, and discover new connections. Join relevant groups aligned to your target audience and business goals. Participate in group discussions and provide thoughtful comments, advice. Share valuable content to showcase knowledge. And connect to others in the group, as the members list will become available to you. Events. There are hundreds of events on LinkedIn. If you are attending an event, the attendance list becomes open to you, and it's a great place to find new connections. Start by reviewing attendee list for any LinkedIn event and connect with relevant attendees. Strategically join competitor or industry events to gain access to their attendee lists. Promote your own hosted events to build an attendee list full of quality connections. Who is checking you out? Monitor who views your LinkedIn profile. You are more likely to convert visits into genuine connections and even new business relationships. Regularly check who is viewing your profile to identify relevant contacts. Keep in mind you will need LinkedIn Premium for this. Be proactive with your network and leverage profile views as conversation starters. And aim to turn LinkedIn visitors into productive relationships through engagement. Personalize your connection requests. Let potential connections know why you want to connect, and how it can benefit them. Keep it short. It shouldn't be a sales pitch, just a reason for them to be a part of your network. Start by researching new connections beforehand to reference specific common ground. Briefly explain why you want to connect with them specifically, and send out 10 to 20 regular connections a day. Advanced searches. Utilize advanced search on LinkedIn to find people you want to, or should connect with. You can break down a lot of variables to find the right people for you. You can use filters like industry, seniority level, and job function to find the right contacts. You can search by keywords like learning, training, manager, or specific skills. You can also target company size and revenue bands suitable for your services. And finally, use an email signature or web button. Add your social profile links in your email signature. This will help drive more people to connect with you, growing your network and your relationship with your prospects and customers. You can use a Connect to Me image or a Follow Me image.